Hi, I'm Sue and I'm a paper crafting expert. Today I'm going to show you how to use a die cutting machine to create beautiful cards. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. Start by taking the die cutting machine out of the box and remove the packaging, making sure to keep the instructions booklet and dies included to one side. Take the handle, insert the screw in the hole and into the side of the machine. Use the provided Allen key to secure the screw in place. In the box with the die cutting machine, you'll receive a set of dies, a base plate and 3 cutting plates. To create your first die cut, place the thicker cutting plate on top of the white base plate. Then add your die with the cutting edge facing up on top, followed by the cardstock. Then place one of the thinner plates on top. Place the stack of plates containing the die and the cardstock into the machine and continuously turn the handle until the plates have passed through. Remove the plates to reveal the die cut. When using scrap pieces of card, craft tape is ideal to help hold the dies and cardstock in place as they pass through the machine. Die cutting machines can also be used to emboss. To do this, you will need an embossing folder. Position your card or paper stock within the folder, then place this in between the 2 thinner plates. Place the stack of plates containing the embossing folder and cardstock into the machine in between the rollers and continuously turn the handle until the plates have passed through. Remove the plates, followed by the paper within the embossing folder to reveal the design. Over time, you will find that your thinner plates will start to bend slightly and become engraved with some of the die designs. Do not worry, this is normal. Replacement plates can be purchased as and when needed. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you'd like some more card making inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you for more videos soon.